My name is Cheshe Tsayang and I'm 15 years old. I'm back again and this is my second video just to prove to you guys that I can do it. So guys, please vote for me. I'm going to be singing Turning Tables by Adele. Close enough to start a war. All that I have is on the floor. God only knows what we're fighting for. All that I say, you always say no. But I can't keep up with your turning tables under your thumb. I can't breathe. I won't let you close enough to hurt me. No, I won't rescue you to just desert me. I can't give you what you think you gave me. It's time to say goodbye to turning tables. Next time I'll be braver, I'll be my own savior when the thunder calls for me. Next time I'll be braver, I'll be my own savior, standing on my own 2 feet. I won't let you close enough to hurt me. No, I won't rescue you to just desert me. I can't give you what you think you gave me. It's time to say goodbye to turning tables.